So Wellbeing Champions are people who genuinely care about those that they work with. They try to aim to support wellbeing by promoting resources internally, helping their peers, and also being a great listener. It doesn't have to be a leader or someone who knows about wellbeing. It can just be someone from a grassroots movement who cares about their team. They share resources, they encourage people to participate in wellbeing initiatives. They might join a committee or have those around them to really activate a wellbeing initiative within an organisation. So the interesting thing about Wellbeing Champions is that even the smallest, tiniest thing can create a really big ripple effect. So it's just a willingness to help others, to do kind acts, to express gratitude, and it doesn't have to be a huge thing. The really interesting thing that we know about positive energisers in organisations is that actually they can have 4 times more influence than managers in organisations. So building more positivity and engaging your energisers is a great way to build wellbeing in an organisation. So Wellbeing Champions provide so much benefit to organisations. Many organisations start from top to the bottom, but when we see wellbeing integrated, a grassroots movement is a great way to bottom-up approach, to activate and empower those around them, and really importantly, get everyone sharing that responsibility of wellbeing and culture within a company. When you're thinking about wellbeing champions in your organisation, it's about equipping them with the right tools, and that's why we've designed a Wellbeing Champion Program to give them the tools to hopefully influence the organisation in just 90 days.